Back again with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Zoom VOMERO 5 wet dress colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, on the marking area here, there is no gap within the design here and the midsole. Look at on the authentic one, it has a little bit gap. Next one, as you guys can see, the silver layer here slightly come up, isn't centered like the authentic one here. And also the stitches should be right, it should be like the authentic one here, placed right in the middle of the brown layer. You can see here on the fake one, it's slightly to the right. Another one, as you guys can see, this one the stitches here isn't centered, this one slightly to the right, and also there's no brown stitches right on top of the Nike shoes, whereas on the authentic one it has a brown stitches here connecting from the top to the bottom. Another one, as you guys can see, now on the fake one it has a brown stitches, but the shape here is looking terrible. It's crooked, the difference between the authentic one and the fake one. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, here also you can see the shape of the brown stitches is looking terrible. Should be following the shape of the Nike shoes like the authentic here. And also the plastic here slightly go down, it touched the midsole, whereas on the authentic one it has a little bit gap here between the midsole and the pattern here. Another one, the brown stitches here should be right on top of the Nike shoes like the authentic here. On the fake one is crooked, looking so terrible. And also stitches here slightly to the right should be placed in the middle of the brown layer. Another one, as you guys can see, there's no dark brown stitches on the fake one compared to the authentic. Another one also, as you guys can see, there's a white glue stain looking so dirty on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also it has a little bit gap between the design here, the pattern, and the midsole. Compared on the fake one here, there's no gap. And also here, still same, just like previous sample. Looking from above here, as you guys can see, the label is on the wrong place, slightly goes up. Another one also, look at on the authentic one, between the VOMERO 5 and the stitches, it has a little bit gap. On the fake one, it has no gap here, looking terrible. And also the stitches here on the fake one isn't centered. This one is slightly to the right, not like the authentic one here, it's placed right in the middle. And also there is only one stitches here. On the authentic one, there is two stitches. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you guys can see, just like the other colorways, there's a white glue stain also, and also there is no gap between the design and the midsole. Another sample also is very clear, is looking so dirty here, white glue stain, always like this. Another one, the heel isn't centered like the authentic one here. This one on the fake one is slightly to the left. And take a closer look, there is a white glue stain on the fake one compared to the authentic one. And also there is no gap here between the pattern and the midsole, not like the authentic here. The authentic, it has a little bit gap. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I will get it, and if you have any question or request, just feel free to DM me on my Instagram or leave in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.